Hello, everyone. Welcome back to MindCast English.
Hey, our YouTube family. We're really happy to have you here today.
I'm Zara.
And I'm Arlo.
On this channel, we help you learn real, natural English you can use every day.
English for real life, not textbook English.
Today's topic is very important and super useful.
We're going to show you how to talk about your daily routine in English.
This is one of the most common conversation topics in English.
People ask this all the time.
Friends ask it.
Colleagues ask it.
Even in job interviews, you hear questions about your daily routine.
So if you can talk about your daily routine confidently, your English will sound very natural.
Don't worry, we'll make it easy and fun.
We'll share our own routines and give you lots of examples.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video if you enjoy learning with us.
And subscribe to MindCast English for more daily English practice.
All right, let's begin.
Zara, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, actually.
That's good to hear. Why are you feeling so good?
I tried something new this morning.
Oh, really? What did you do?
I woke up 30 minutes earlier than usual and did some yoga.
Wow, that's impressive.
It felt really good.
I admire people who wake up early.
What about you? How are you feeling today?
Honestly, I feel a little sleepy.
Sleepy? Why?
Because I'm not a morning person.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 8 o'clock.
8? That's quite late for me.
Sometimes even 8:30.
Wow. What time do you go to bed?
Around midnight, sometimes 12:30.
No wonder you're tired.
I know, I really need to fix my schedule.
A good routine makes a big difference.
I agree. That's why today's topic is perfect for me.
Everyone listening, don't worry if your routine is different.
Everyone's daily routine is unique.
Let's walk through a full day from morning to night.
Let's start with the morning.
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
6:30 is very early for me.
When my alarm goes off, I turn it off right away.
Do you get up immediately?
Not immediately. I stay in bed for about 5 minutes.
What do you do during those 5 minutes?
I stretch and take a few deep breaths.
That sounds very peaceful.
What about you?
When my alarm rings at 8, I hit the snooze button.
Oh no, the snooze button.
I know it's bad, but it feels so good.
How many times do you snooze?
Usually 2 times.
So you really wake up at 8:20.
Yes, basically.
What's the first thing you do after waking up?
I check my phone.
Messages or social media?
Both.
That's a very common habit.
What do you do first?
I make my bed.
Every day?
Every single day.
That's impressive.
It makes my room look neat and organized.
I only make my bed on weekends.
You should try doing it every day.
Maybe I will.
After that, I go straight to the bathroom.
Same here.
I brush my teeth first.
Me too. That's non-negotiable.
Then I wash my face with a cleanser.
I wash my face with cold water.
Cold water?
Yes, it wakes me up instantly.
I prefer warm water, especially in the morning.
After washing my face, I take a quick shower.
How long is your shower?
About 5 to 7 minutes.
That's very fast.
I don't like long showers in the morning.
I take longer showers, around 15 minutes.
That sounds relaxing.
It really is. After the shower, what do you do?
I dry my hair and get dressed.
What do you usually wear?
Smart casual clothes.
I wear very casual clothes at home.
Like sweatpants?
Exactly. After getting dressed, it's breakfast time.
Breakfast is my favorite meal.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Scrambled eggs and toast.
And coffee.
Of course.
I usually eat oatmeal with fruit.
That's very healthy.
I also drink green tea.
I can't survive without coffee.
After breakfast, I wash the dishes.
Me too. I like a clean kitchen.
Then the workday begins.
Some days I work from home.
And some days you go to the office.
Yes, when I go to the office, I drive.
How long is your commute?
About 20 minutes.
What do you do during the drive?
I listen to music or podcasts.
I take public transportation.
The bus or the metro?
The metro.
What do you do on the metro?
I listen to music or read.
When you arrive at work, what's the first thing you do?
I turn on my computer and check emails.
Emails never end.
After emails, I check my schedule.
I should do that more often.
I also make a to-do list.
That's a great habit.
My mornings are usually very productive.
I'm more productive in the afternoon.
What time do you eat lunch?
Around 1 p.m.
Same here.
I usually bring lunch from home.
Me too.
Where do you eat lunch?
Not at my desk.
Same. I need a real break.
After lunch, I feel a bit sleepy.
The afternoon slump.
How do you handle it?
Coffee.
I take a short walk.
The afternoon is usually full of meetings.
Yes, meetings and more work.
What time do you finish work?
Around 5:30.
Same here.
After work, I feel tired but relieved.
Me too.
When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes.
That's the best feeling.
What time do you eat dinner?
Around 7.
Do you cook?
Most days, yes.
I enjoy cooking too.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Same.
Then it's time to relax.
I like reading or watching shows.
I watch YouTube or play games.
I also talk to my family in the evening.
That's important.
Around 10, I start my bedtime routine.
What do you do before bed?
I prepare things for the next day.
That's very organized.
Then I brush my teeth and read.
I usually use my phone.
You should reduce screen time.
I know, I'm trying.
What time do you sleep?
Around midnight.
I sleep around 11.
And then the next day starts again.
That's the daily routine.
Now we have a question for everyone.
What is one thing you want to change in your daily routine?
Write your answer in the comments.
Practice writing in English.
Thank you for learning with MindCast English.
Keep practicing every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.